So today we're going to show you how to install one of our back plate program locks. It's going to come with two latches, one passage latch, one deadbolt latch. Your deadbolt latch is going to have an arrow. It's going to say up. That needs to face up when you install it. Install our wood screws. Okay, got that on. We're going to take the exterior portion . You want to make sure your spindle is in your latch. We're going to take our plate, the indentions on the inside, starting with our trim screws. Tighten that one down a little bit. Other trim screw. Don't tighten it down all the way, that way you can make some adjustments. We're going to take our deadbolt cylinder. Make sure the tailpiece is turned all the way to the hinge side of the door. And then you're going to turn it back up 90 degrees. And you're going to stick it into the vertical slot of your latch. Then we're going to grab our deadbolt screws. Again, don't tighten it up too tight so you can make some adjustments. Make sure everything is straight. Then you can tighten it up. I'm going to take the interior portion. Make sure your spindle goes inside the latch. Machine screws. Again, don't tighten it up too much. The way you can make adjustments, make it straight. Once you do that, then you can tighten it up. Now we're going to install our levers. So one of the things I want to make clear, inside the levers there's going to be a spring. Please make sure that these springs are inside the lever. The smaller end is going to be facing towards your spindle. And this allows for the spindle to have pressure on both sides as long as that spring is in there, so the spindle doesn't move back and forth.